A beggar found a leather purse that someone had dropped in the marketplace. Opening it, he discovered that it contained 100 pieces of gold. Then he heard the merchant shout, a reward to the one who finds my leather purse."
Being an honest man, the beggar came forward and handed the purse to the merchant, saying, "Here is your purse. May I have the reward now?"
"A reward," scoffed the merchant, greedily counting his gold. "Why the purse I dropped had 200 pieces of gold in it? You've already stolen more than the reward. Go away or I'll tell the police."
Go.
"I am an honest man. Let us take this matter to the court."
Go.
In the court, the judge patiently listened to both sides of the story and said, "I believe you both. Justice is possible. Merchant, you stated that the purse you lost contained 200 pieces of gold. Well, that's a contestable cost. But the purse this beggar found had only 100 pieces of gold. Therefore, it couldn't be the one you lost." And with that, the judge gave the purse and all the gold to the beggar.